When Windows Explorer becomes unresponsive and freezes, it is often necessary to restart it. Luckily, there are ways to do this without turning your PC off, and here's how. For the first method, use the Task Manager. Just open Task Manager, click Processes tab, find and right-click on Windows Explorer, then click Restart. Next up, you can use the command prompt. Just search command prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press enter. Once done, type in the following, then press enter again to restart the Windows Explorer. Lastly, you can try using a bat file. Do it by opening Notepad, type in the following, then save this file into your desktop, and name the file like this one or something similar, but you just have to make sure to put .bat at the end of the file so your computer knows it's a batch file. Once done, double-click the bat file when you need to restart Explorer. So those are the simple ways on how to restart Windows Explorer without rebooting your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.